Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. Hope you all guys are very good in health and doing very good jobs in your own position. So try to focus on your TCS interview examination. I will give few tips and interview related experience I will share in this video from few of our students. So let's get started. And if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe, because in our channel you will get lots of this type of interview related experience video, as well as career guidance, interview tips, as well as job notification. All things you will get. So let's get started. So TCS digital interview I'm going to discuss for system engineer position. So I have recently got this information on 28th of September. I received from him. So it's 5 days I'm preparing a video regarding is the experience. So what but that student faced, he is from 2022 batch, and he is from third college, three tier college from Vishakhapatnam, and TCL Digital visited their college in 2021 August. They applied through the next step portal, okay. And as usual, the first round was the verbal advanced quant and coding, that is the TCS Ninja test. And in section 1, that is in the verbal one, it consisting of the comprehension questions and English. For the section 2, they have to solve coding as well as advanced quantitative aptitude. So basic and medium level questions he got. And basically he have able to manage both the questions in the coding section, and they were declared the results after 1 week, and he was shortlisted for the interview. And that interview was happened through Microsoft Teams platform, okay. The list of the selected students of the interview round came after 1 week of the coding round. And from the 1000 students, 300 students are selected, okay. So we are now focusing on the interview questions he received and how he faced, and what is his experience, we will now discuss. So three rounds occur for him, like technical, managerial round, and HR round, okay. In the technical round, he was asked to show his ID card, government ID proof on camera. It was happened through online portal. Similar experience you will also get when you will give the interview for TCS Ninja and TCS Digital also. So first he faced this question, few questions like introduce yourself, about the project, what project he have done in the final year, and if he have some internship experience or not, if what is his preferred language and technology. They asked the question regarding tuple versus list, what is dictionary, what is a class, oops concept, types of oops, how do you implement them in both C and C++, what are access specifiers and access modifiers, and data structure algorithm questions. Tell me about stack, heap, queue, linked list, graph tree. So these are the from data algorithms and data structures. Try to prepare very well in these topics. Basic questions he got from machine learning, because he mentioned his skills in machine learning in his CV. Two programming questions, separation of a list according to the given condition. Another was swap of the values of variables with and without temporary variable. These two programming questions he got in his interview, okay. And he was able to solve both the programming questions, so that's why he moved to managerial round. So there he got few questions like what are his hobbies, and the question based on hobbies. Situational question he also got, like I'm giving these two examples. Also he shared with us, like you have completed 90% of the client project and 10% is left over. You have 1 day time to complete the remaining work, and the next day you have to give a presentation and submit the project to the client. Then you got to know that there are some minor errors in the project, what will affect after 2 years, and you found that there is another approach to complete the project in an efficient way, but it will take 4 days of time, but any cost tomorrow you have to submit the project to the client. So what you will do if you were in that situation? So After completing these 2 rounds, they said that uh, to disconnect that call and they will definitely meet. And he thought like the HR round is left over. Later that day he got one mail that they have scheduled an HR round uh, for for the next day. Okay, then in the HR round again few questions he got, like introduce yourself, how was your experience in previous rounds, ID proof, semester wise marks list verification, 10th and inter mark list verification, what do you know about TCS, why do you want to join TCS. These are very common question. Okay, try to prepare this one for each round. Tell me TCS CEO name, tell me the company name where uh, it was owned by Tata, willing to relocate or not, you know about service bond. So so basically these questions he got in HR round. So he has also shared his suggestion, like do a project on a recent technology like machine learning or IoT or deep learning or Android blockchain cloud computing, have basic knowledge of the latest technologies, prepare fundamentals well. Mostly they have asked questions according to the resume, so try to prepare very well the resume. So result, after 2 weeks result was declared and he got selected for TCS Digital. Out of 300 only 50 students were selected for digital and 120 students selected for Ninja. So do your best. So according to him, this is the suggestion for getting the TCS Ninja interview covered or to getting the TCS digital interview. So hope this helps you. Please share your doubts as well as what questions you have faced in our comment box, so that we can also discuss with other students so that they can also prepare very well. Please comment your interview questions in this comment box. Thank you friend, thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the like button for this video if you really like the content. Take care guys, bye.